number, or yeah, 我不知道怎么问, or you can be like, I don't know how to ask him. 我不知道怎么问他，哈哈哈哈哈。问他 yeah, or literally just you don't know how to ask this in Chinese. Then we can add in Chinese after the end. I'm sure in Chinese. 怎么说 in Chinese? We can ask in Chinese.
怎么说？OK 我不知道怎么说问中文问他中文。
用中文 using Chinese, correct?
用。
So just the same sentence. 我不知道怎么问他用中文。One thing I want you to do a little bit today, focus on a little bit extra. Oh yeah, everything turned blue. That was not good. And one thing I want you to do is practice the the, or practice the l. Sorry. What am I saying? It's when. When you practice the when a little bit.
The when, yeah.
Today and tomorrow, and you can use it together with when t if you want to as well. Okay, and on that note, we also have answer. 怎么说 answer? Because they go together.
Answer. Da.
Yeah, nice. But we first of all, you said the last part, which is da. If you can think of it like an answer, it's something that comes back. So it's 回.
回答.
回答.
Okay. 回答.
回答. So this is answer.
Okay. 回答.
This can also be a verb or noun.
回答我.
Exactly. Yes. 回答我. Please give me an answer. Yeah. Or yeah, answer me. Now we could also say like, I don't know how to answer you. I don't know how to answer. If I ask you a question.
不知道回答.
怎么
回答.
Exactly. Then you can even say like, I'm just trying to practice a lot of sentences here so you can go out and use them. I don't know how to answer this question.
我不知道什么问一个问题。
This question, I said. How did you say this?
这个
Because it sounded like you said,
I did.
I did. So when I want you to say 这个, you say 一个, and when I want you to say 一个, you say 这个. 这个问题. So 我不知道. You can say after me. 我不知道怎么回答这个问题.
我不知道怎么回答这个问题.
Excellent.
That's
it's very useful. How about like, what does this question mean?
这个问题什么
You're very close now. Come on.
什么意思
Yes, 什么意思? That should never leave your brain. 什么意思? 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 You just point at things and ask.
这个问题什么意思
这个问题什么意思? Or similarly, we can say 这个回答什么意思? I don't get your answer.
What's that?
I don't get your answer. What does this answer mean?
Okay. No.
Or maybe even better, 这个句子什么意思? What does 句子什么意思?
Sentence.
Perfect. So it's 问题. 这个问题什么意思? You can say after me. 这个问题什么意思?
这个问题什么意思？
这个回答什么意思？
这个回答什么意思？
这个句子什么意思？
这个 you say that can you say that again？
这个句子什么意思
这个句子什么意思？
？Perfect. And if I just scroll up now, one word you learned in, I think, like level 1 somewhere early. How do you say a lot?
Handle.
Yes, perfect. Thank you for paying attention. Okay, we will leave this now and just practice these things here. A little bit extra.
One.
Okay, I'll give you some exercises you can listen to as well for that reason. Okay, everybody replies the question. Perfect. 大家回答问题. Very good. 我们已经回国了. Very good. Tomorrow I'm returning to my country. 这个有没有问题？你有没有问题？
什么？
这里这儿有没有问题？ I said
没有问题。
有没有问题？这有没有问题？
没有问题。
没有问题，那很好。Okay. How to go to your home? 你的家怎么去？ Oh, very good. I think you're starting to sound very Chinese, but you don't have to sound that Chinese just yet. You can just say how to go to your home. So we want to start with how to go.
你的去
怎么去？
怎么去？
In your home.
怎么去你的家？
Thank you. I think this is a much more common and easy sentence to understand. I know it is. 怎么去你的家? But what you said was 你的家怎么去? Do you see what you did here?
Yeah, affected.
Which is fine, but I think it might be a bit dangerous behavior, a dangerous pattern to start flipping things because you said what you said earlier, like because it works in Chinese. But yeah, it does work in Chinese. This sounds very Chinese actually, but you got lucky, I would say. So maybe like if you put a comma here, your home, how to go there, that works in Chinese. But yeah, this is a better way, and this is the way I want you to say it.
怎么去你的家？
怎么去你的家? Yeah, perfect.
怎么去你的家？
Here we have another problem. 这里还有一个问题. There's another problem here. 你有没有问题吗?
Yeah, the mayo, the ma and the mayo.
Nice.
有没有？
你可以说有没有，你可以说有什么什么吗 But you can't say 但是不可以说有没有 blah 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 吗很好，非常好。Okay, are you going back on Saturday? Sounds very good. We can read this together. This little thing here. Maybe like that instead. No one's in there. Yeah. So, do you want to read after me, or do you want to read one person?
Let me be one person to start.
Please.
And I know I'm not very good at pronunciation. 你星期六回家吗？
回
家吗？
回家吗? You will note that 回家 is its own very common word. 回家 you'll hear it all the time.
Okay, yeah.
Come together as a package deal. Okay. And yeah, do you want to translate that, or have you already translated in your head?
Is it you're going back home on Saturday?
Yes. You trust what?
I translated it down there.
Oh yeah, sorry. You did, sorry. 不，星期天。Yeah, no, on Sunday.
为什么？
我们全家回国。Our family or our whole family 全 returns home to our country. Yeah, it's going home. Yeah, 回国。And then?
How about? 注意安全。
Yeah, this is a difficult one.
安全。
全。We will. I will work with 全. So.
And another thing I'm struggling with, I know I need to work with this, is the Chu, or the character that has Wang in it and the dots. There's there's many characters that looks like Wang with a few little dots, and they mean like Tzu or Tzu or Chu.
Oh, they mean little three drops here.
Yeah, that character, it feels like it's a lot of characters that's similar to that one, and they are like Tzu or Tzu or yeah.
Yeah, let me think what other ones.
The one for Sai is one of them.
Do you know which one? But I'll do that actually. Thank you for that. Put together all these looking characters.
Yeah, because I think maybe it's just me, but I think there's quite a few of them. Even more than 3.
Probably, yeah, probably. There's one more one, but you haven't learned that one yet. But yeah, let me have a think. And I'll write those down. For now, it's true. Do you remember this one? 这个什么意思?
Is live.
Is a live. 这个住什么意思? Maybe quite difficult.
Inject.
Oh, nice, perfect. Because that, if you know that it means inject, it'll be easy to understand all the different words it's involved in.
It kind of looks like you're injecting something. It's like.
It looks like what?
Like you're injecting something with the character.
Nice. And then this true.
Going by.
不知道。这个主是 Lord or like host. If you're Lord maybe sounds a bit uncommon, but it's not. If you're a host at a party, someone's coming to your place, and you are the 主人. You're the host. That, yeah. So be like, I'm your host. I worry about you. 我是你的 I'll just write that sentence for you. 我是你的主人，我很担心你。Note that I added 很 but I don't need, even though,我很担心你 even though I didn't have to, I added the 很 just for old habits' sake. Okay. Good. Last lesson here. I'm thinking he's okay. Let me know if you're tired. Otherwise, I don't think this will take too long.
Yeah, no, go.
Use the to make adjectives. Okay, so this is rule number 2, if you remember. 他是帅哥的男. Okay, a little bit wrong, but the is in the right place. That's good. First of all, we want to say he is a. 他是一个, we can say. This word 帅哥 is a noun. It's a substantive. So you can't, because right now we're using 2 nouns. He is a handsome guy. Well, he's a dude guy. You're basically saying he's like a. So instead of 哥, we just want you to say 帅.
帅的.
帅的, yeah, because 帅 is the adjective.
帅的男 or 帅的哥?
Oh, okay, nice. No, you can say try the shrike if you want to. But because shrike is just like you say menu to someone at the restaurant. Be like shrike, wait, come over here. So you know from that context that it is a noun. And from the context from this word, you can tell that it has a shy in it. So it's already implying that it's handsome. So maybe this is a bit weird. So maybe just say guy, then would be none, but that's not enough. Do you remember how to say woman? Ny.
Nyren.
Exactly. So nyren. If I just write ny, there's no smiley coming up. But if I write nyren, then there's a smiley coming up. So we have to add ja. Similarly here, this is the exact same. Nan.
Ren.
Nanren. There we go. Okay? So we have to add ren at the end. It's like saying, you understand? Yeah, this is not hard to get. It's like saying none means female or male, but then male what? Is it a male toy or male? What is it? Then we use the other character to help us understand what kind of male it is. Well, it's a person in this case, male person, female person, male person. Nice. The rest was very good, but again, the was in the right place. That made me happy. Now we're working with this. This is rule number 3. Okay, so maybe I should I'll ignore this one. This is not what you said. If you're curious, I'll just write that quickly. I'm the one who said it. 是我说的. 是我说的. Like I am it's me who said it. But I'm going to ignore that because I think that's not going to help us too much. Instead, we can look at what you said. I think that's a much better sentence. 我说的是. Okay, what does this sentence mean now?
I said it.
Maybe if I say like 我说的是 chocolate.
Is that what I'm talking about?
Yes, Tim. What I'm talking about, because you're saying 是, and then so what I'm talking about is, and then you want to fill something here. What I'm talking about is this grammar point, or chocolate, or China. What I'm talking about is chocolate. 我说的是 blah 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 chocolate.
So it's chocolate.
Similarly, we can say like, what are you talking about? The easiest way to be like, 你说什么? Sorry, 你说什么? But, I'm going to write this as well now. 你说的是什么? You see the difference, and can you understand the difference? It's very similar though.
What are you saying and what are you talking about?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, what are you talking about? What is the thing that you are talking about? Exactly. What are you talking about? Good. So if you can start saying 你说什么 is perfect, but if you can start saying 你说的是什么, then it means you understand rule 3 for the, and that's the last. It's actually 4 rules for the, but one we're not going to cover in like another few levels, and it's not very common. Perfect.
So if I'm like approaching a couple of friends who are talking, I could say like 你们说的是什么?
Yeah. So that would be like the thing that you are discussing. So what is the topic that you're discussing?
What are you guys talking about?
Exactly. 你们说的是什么? Yeah. But again, 你说什么 is just fine as well.
Okay.
But maybe like anything similar to that. 你吃什么? What are you eating? And then how would we make that? Just like this sentence.
你吃的是什么?
What is the thing that you're eating? Very nice. But then let's make, before we forget that it's actually also useful, because in these cases, if the only had this purpose, then it wouldn't be useful. So let's say I like the thing you're eating. That's a difficult one.
Okay. Give me a second.
Yeah, if you get this one, I'll never bother you again with the I like the thing you're eating.
Okay, I don't think this is correct, but I'll give it a go. 我喜欢这个东西的气。
Okay, good. 这个东西的吃. Okay, so I like the thing you're eating. The 吃, yeah, good. Yeah, unfortunately, a bit wrong, but you were quick at writing, and that was one positive, very positive thing. First of all, there's no 这个. You want to say the thing that you're eating. I like the thing that you're eating. So maybe you're thinking that 这个 could help, but no. Actually, the that is the the in this sentence. Okay. Okay. So we're going to first of all delete the 这个, and then we're going to say 我喜欢, and then it's a thing that belongs to what? The thing that belongs to what?
Eating.
Yeah, who's eating?
Oh, to you.
So first of all, we say 我喜欢, and then you just describe the action. What's happening? Well, you're eating something. 你吃, okay? And then it's a thing that belongs to this. So what's the end now?
我喜欢你吃的东西。
I didn't hear the whole thing, but was this what you said? 你吃的东西.
你的是
你吃的东西.
I would like almost a duh after me as well.
But
It's like your okay.
Because
Is that the correct sentence? 我喜欢你的东西。
你吃的东西, yeah. Because again, if we look at the just 东西 is just like 人 or anything. It's the thing, or like the what did we write up here? Here, 男人, the 男人. You should always end with the 男人. If you can just keep that as a rule. Let's write that as a rule. Okay. Important rule for the. Okay. Always, or like when describing things, because this is describing things. Right? Describing things always end with the and plus the what would you say? You can look at this. This is the same thing here. So what do we end with? We end with the, and then we end with what?
What it belongs to.
Actually, not what it belongs to, because you eat, so you're eating. So it's the noun we're talking about. Yeah. Do you understand this rule? If I write this.
Yeah, I think so at least. Always yeah, I somewhat get it.
I think I'll make one sentence for you, and we'll go through the rule together. Trying to apply this. We'll make a sentence together trying to apply this. Because now you have the beginning of the sentence, 我喜欢, that's easy. I like. And then you know that the plus noun, that should be the 东西. So the only thing you have to fill in is what the 东西 belongs to. How do we describe it? Well, it's something you eat. 你吃的东西. So let me go down here where we can't see anymore. Here. Oh, yeah, sorry. Where is it? Okay, let's go down here. Let's go. I love the person you like. Maybe difficult. Let's start with the beginning and then the end. What's the beginning?
我爱
Very good. Why? Okay.
我爱
And we can take the end then. We have a the somewhere. And what is after the?
run.
Exactly, because it's a person we're talking about. And now we just have to describe the person. Who does this person belong to? How do we describe it?
You, so me.
你
喜欢
Do you feel like we need to add anything else?
我爱你喜欢人
Does it feel good? Does it make sense? I'm very happy.
Yeah, I couldn't tell if it was correct or not.
No,
But
you
it
don't.
should-
But you did it. You did it just with my guidance, but you did the sentence on your own. You don't have to know if it's 100% correct. The teachers will correct you.
我爱你喜欢的人
Exactly. Perfect. That's very, very nice. Thank you. You were able to use that. So try to use that same logic next time. Whenever there's rule 3, which is like but the most complicated rule for the,
Yeah.
we take the 我喜欢. The thing in the beginning, very easy. I like, just like Chinese, just like English. But then we have to remember to put the 东西 at the end, or the 人, which it was here. And then we just have some tiny thing in the middle that is left. No more talking about that now. You'll see more example sentences later on. 东西我要北京 very good. 打车 very, very good. Excellent sentences. The last part here. 西安怎么去北京? You can say after me. 西安怎么去北京?
西安什么时候去北京？
怎么去?
什么去？
Nice. 我现在打车去你家。
什么？
我现在打车去你家。
我现在打车，去你家。
Nice. Now, one thing, do you remember we said, how do you say to in English? Like, go somewhere, to a place. What do you think the to, well, how would you translate the to here?
Yeah, like to your home.
Yeah, because the verb is already to take a taxi. So now the to works almost like an helping, like an assisting verb. It's not the main verb. It just means to go somewhere, to somewhere. Good. So it's just good that you saw it here, visualized. I only know that it's nice to meet you. 我只知道认识你很开心. You can say that too. 我只知道
我只知道
认识你很开心.
我只知道认识你很开心。
Nice. Now, 我只有纸巾，只有纸巾。
不是有纸巾。
Yeah, do you remember say Chinese person? 中国人，我中国。
中国人。
That J, ZH sounds very good. It's 只 it's the same 只 sound. 我只有纸巾。
纸巾。
Yeah, the genus, you get that one, right? That's good. 只有纸巾。
纸巾。
Good. But now the end here, 你有没有 first of all, 你有没有吗? Do you see you did it again?
Mhm.
I know.
Yeah.
你有没有?
Oops.
I'll keep that though. But you said 你有没有 and you didn't say, do you want to?
你要么要不要？
要不要？要不要？要不要？ Do you remember there was a video in lesson 4, level 1, where I go around and I I'm offered things, and then one woman comes up and she offers me a kid and she says 你要不要？要不要? And I said 不要. Don't know if you remember that.
I don't remember, but it was the wrong answer.
yeah. But yeah, merchants say 要不要？要不要? Do you want it? They stand on the street and they shout at you 要不要？要不要? And you answer 不要不要不要不要. Okay, so she's been very naughty again with a 哪里. You can read it.
Yeah.
That's the last thing. 你家在哪儿?
你家在哪儿？
我家在南京。
我家在南京。
I want to stop you here quickly. Do you think we could add a the here? And do you think it would be better? 我的家。
有
家。
Yeah, it feels like it should. Feels like your.
Yeah, I want to address that. Do you remember when we learned the and we talked about baba mama? We don't really say what we can say what the baba or what the mama, but like sometimes when like how should I say, when it's kinship, when it's family, we don't use the because it's a bit too close. And also Chinese is easy. So we can just skip it.
So, but grammatically speaking, it should be a the there, right?
Grammatically speaking, correct. Or the mama, yeah. But it's not incorrect to say 我妈妈. And it's the most common way to say. So whenever it's close family members or close people or relationships, skip the. Maybe it's because whenever we say mama, we always say the, so it just becomes a bit like a bit overflooding. Like it's a bit too much maybe. So we just skip it because it's always there anyways.
Yeah.
So similarly, 我家 is a very common thing to say. You never really say 我的家, or you say it, but no, it's more common to say 我家. Okay, so 我家 and not as common to say like 我的家. Actually, it is very common too, but both are good. Okay, what does the na mean, by the way?
Well, okay.
Nice. 那你住在北京吗？
那你住在北京吗？
不，我现在住在东京。
我现在住在北京。
东京。
东京。
And I don't think this was a new word, was it?
Dong is not a new word. Jing is not a new word. But Dongjing, I'm not like.
Let me check. I'll check that.
Remember.
If not, then I'm sorry. But yeah, it's funny. Beijing, northern capital. Eastern capital, obviously Tokyo.
Yeah, obviously.
Obviously.
But is it Tokyo? Because I had to use my dictionary app for that.
Yeah, it's Tokyo.
Yeah, I'm quite sure it's not in the lesson yet.
Okay, I'll make sure to add it in. Okay, that's not good. That's good. Okay, good, perfect. And then we can stop there. Well done. Well done. I want to we're not going to go through Do you have time tomorrow, by the way?
Yeah, I do. I do.
You do, yeah?
I have time tomorrow, and pretty much I'm off on Wednesday as well. But maybe you want some Christmas holiday.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So yeah, could we do practice tomorrow, and then review on Wednesday?
Absolutely.
Excellent. Okay.
Yeah,
Then I want
sure.
to you do, yeah. Good. I want to show you here then what I've done here is for every this is the practice now, the practice little document. It says practice and it's level 1 and 2. So it says the level, and then these are the new words, and I also decided to teach you hi. It just means hello, hi, literally from English. You click here, and then it's me and my friend reading the dialogue to you. You can't hear it. We're reading this dialogue. And similar here, translate and answer the 2 questions. Where are you from? And then so we just literally just read these words, or she does it. And here we've whenever we make a conversation, we write it together. I'll write it down here, and then we'll record it so you can listen to it later on as well, because these are specific to you. Do you remember this dialogue?
I remember it was the greatest dialogue of my life.
It was actually mine too. Yeah. And then the coffee shop, we did do you want coffee? 很多 cafe, a lot of coffee. Do you love it? Fucking tea is not interesting at all.
Okay, maybe that's a nice one. But that's you recorded those. That's
yes, so everything's recorded here. And then you can see I'll mark them that we've done already, or you can probably recognize the ones we've done, and we will then start working with, for instance, this one, relationships, and then we use with different this is my daughter, this is my sister, this is my pretty sister, this is a person that I like, this is my pretty boyfriend, and so on and so on. So we haven't done this yet. Once we write it down, we'll write down a little dialogue, and then me and my friend will record it after the session. Here, same thing here, classroom phrases. Shamis, how do you say this?
My connection is bad because I'm.
Okay. But I'm just okay. So all you need to remember is go to this document here, and you can look before the lesson, and you can listen also. Okay. I'll turn off my camera. Yeah, it's already turned off. Are you still here, Tim? Are you still here, Tim?
I think he has bad connection.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
I'll stop recording.